welcome everyone. You can see me and hear me as well. I thought this was not yet visible. So I'm so happy to talk to you about this new book, Navigating Through Life with Resilience, Balance and Growth. And in the previous video, I had just given a brief introduction about how the book is, and it talks about universal laws. There are few universal laws that are so fundamental that if we know, understand, and know how to practice them, connect to the universal field. There are so many tools available that help us to connect. So if you go to our another page, Unleash Your Power of Love, we talk about connecting to the universal field of love, of peace, of harmony. So there are things like this. There are universal field, universal laws. One of them is the universal law of universal service. Now we have very different definition of service in our minds. I had before I came to know about this law. This law is so powerful. So Dr. and Master Shah, who is a world-renowned healer right now, but on his journey he mentions about this incident in many of his books. He was teaching his class and he had this experience. Divine came to him and Divine delivered the universal law of universal service to him. Now what is this universal law of universal service? So Divine said, I am a universal servant. You are a universal servant. Everyone and everything is a universal servant. What does a universal servant do? A universal servant offers universal service. What is universal service? Universal service is universal love, forgiveness, peace, healing, bringing harmony, bringing enlightenment. One who offers little service receives little benefit in life. One who offers unconditional service receives unlimited blessings, unlimited benefits from me and the universe. These were the words of Divine. There is another form of service, which is unpleasant service. Unpleasant service involves killing, cheating, lying, taking advantage of others, harming others, complaining, judging, and more. When one offers little unpleasant service, one receives little lessons. What are these lessons from the universe and the divine? These lessons are disorders, injuries, accidents, relationship issues, financial issues, and more. Mental confusion, emotional imbalance. Ask yourself, are you going through something like this? Solution is to offer universal service. Learn more with me on how you can offer more universal service so that you can be more successful, more happy. You can navigate through your life with resilience, with balance, and grow in your soul journey. We have come here to grow. We don't want to go back at the same place. See what I say resonates with you or not. How do you feel? Your soul knows this. You are not listening. Sometimes we miss listening to our soul because of the noise around us. I am launching few classes. 1 hour class and 1 workshop. If you can attend 6 classes, you get the workshop for free, and each class, 1 hour class, is $7. I'm sharing a link with you here where you will learn more about the universal laws. We can practice together and become more successful, more happy, healthy, happier, healthier. Empower ourselves, empower our family, our children, our parents. And so many people around us are waiting for us to share our wisdom, our knowledge with them. If you like what I'm saying, stay with me. I will have more videos coming here sharing more universal laws, sharing with you how you can offer universal service, make your life so much better. We will also read through the book. The book is releasing on 30th, the ebook and the hard copy on 2nd of July. Hopefully it might not be delayed. Connect with me if you want to just read the book. I will share the text with you. This is very important for everyone to know. Why suffer? Why are you suffering? There is a way out. This has nothing to do with your religion, your belief system. This is beyond that. Come out of your conditioning. This is my calling to you from my heart. I love you all and hope to see you in upcoming videos, in the classes. Thank you.